Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel if you are not new and if you are new. Really quick before we get into this video, if you're brand new to my channel and you like this look that you see right now, for whichever reason that you clicked on this video, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell right beside it so that way you're notified of my future uploads. I'm very happy to share this look with you because I've never done a blown out eyeshadow makeup look. Your girl is a little on the edgy side. She edgy. She an edgy girl who love her some Jesus, okay? This is my first time achieving a blown out smoky eyeshadow using reds. If you guys really like my videos, just like them, okay? Just like them. I mean, it ain't gonna hurt nobody, you know, just click, we giving her the L, not loser, but like, we like her videos, we love her personality. Help me to be introduced to other people out there on the tube, all right? I'm gonna go ahead and get on with this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. First things first, we're gonna be using my paint pot in Layin Low to lay down its base so that we can get this shadow started. Now we're going to be going into my Morphe 3503 palette, and we're going to be using these. Okay, I was going to say browns, but this looks pretty orange to me, which is totally fine because as you can see on my left eye, we're going to be doing a red blown out smoky eye. Yep, there goes the red. So, oh, and I just wanted to let you guys know, as usual, all the products that are being used in this video will be listed in my description box, including all the brushes, so that you guys can have that information. And now I'm taking my black base by NYX and I'm just going to apply that to my lid space, so that way the red that I get ready to apply after will appear deeper. And now moving down to my lower lash line, I'm going to be taking those exact same reds. I actually used two different reds. So I'm starting out with one of the lighter reds, and then I'm going to go over top with that with the darker red. And we're still using the same palette. Throughout this entire look, we will be using the Morphe 3503 palette. And now moving in with this small Morphe flat-headed brush, I'm just going to take the same reds. Actually, I'm going to take the deepest red, the darkest red, and just push that into my lash line. And then going in with this black, I'm going to create myself a winged liner and do my best with smudging out the liner because I don't like perfect liners with grungy looks. Now I'm just using my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. It's like a lipstick palette, and I'm using that red as a liner for my lower waterline. For my mascara, I'm going to be using my Maybelline's Big Shot Colossal Big Shot mascara in black. And then this VLux by Envy for lashes that you already see that are applied. I got them from my local beauty supply. And yeah, now we're going to be using my old time, I was going to say favorite, but I'm not sure if it's a favorite, but Red Vino, Milani's Red Vino Baked Blush. Literally the only blush that I still have. Now I'm going to be using my Gerard Cosmetics Star Powder in Lucy for highlight.
and my Continuous Setting Mist by Morphe. And now I'm going to be using my Colourpop and Ellarie collab in the shade Ellarie Lippie Pencil, because we are going to be adding this lipstick, Hydra Matte by Gerard Cosmetics, but then I changed my mind and said, nah, we're going to be using Immortal instead. So just did a couple of coats of this and came out with the red. I'm just going to add some highlight to my Cupid's bow, and that completes this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you on my next video. And of course, don't forget to like this video.